feel like you swallowed a balloon, a bonfire, and a marching band all at once? Whether it's bloating, gas, or your stomach's throwing shade, this brew's here to calm the riot. My Grandpa Earl used to say, "A quiet belly's a happy belly." After a heavy supper or when he had the wind, something fierce, he'd pour up a belly brew with fennel, peppermint, and slippery elm. Said it put the fire out faster than a rain barrel. The fixins: 1 teaspoon fennel seed for gas and bloating, 1 teaspoon dried peppermint for spasms and acid, 1 teaspoon dried chamomile, soothing and anti-inflammatory, 1/2 teaspoon slippery elm bark powder, coats stomach lining, optional, pinch of ginger or caraway seed, 2.5 cups hot water, not boiling, optional, few drops licorice root extract, helps ulcers but avoid if you have high BP. How to make and use: steep all herbs in hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain into your favorite mug or mason jar. Sip after meals when symptoms show up or before bed to settle the belly. Why it works: fennel helps with bloating, trapped gas, and gut cramping. Peppermint relaxes intestinal muscles and improves bile flow. Chamomile soothes inflammation and helps with E-IBS triggers. Slippery elm coats and protects the lining of the gut. Think ulcers, acid, and irritation. It's a gut hug in liquid form. Side effects and warnings: avoid peppermint if you have severe GERD. It can relax the lower esophageal sphincter too much. Slippery elm may slow absorption of medications. Wait 1 to 2 hours between this and your meds. Licorice root can raise blood pressure in high doses. Facts and history: fennel has been used since Roman times as a gas reliever and breath freshener. Slippery elm was a Native American remedy for ulcers, sore throats, and gut healing. Modern studies show peppermint is just as effective as many antispasmodic drugs for ABs. Got tummy troubles? Ever feel like your belly's run by gremlins? Drop a comment, "Bless my belly," if you want this one on a card or iced tea version next. Got a weird remedy that works? Tell me. I just might feature it. All my content is rooted in real science, proven facts, and historical use. Don't just take my word for it. Look it up, research it, and learn with me. I'm here to share, not to sell snake oil. From one belly to another, with love from Maple Fen. Please like and share.